This exercise is to assist with correcting anterior head carriage and posterior thoracic translation. Usually it will look like a posture somewhat like this, where the hips are forward and then the head's forward as well, and we have an increased rounding in the mid-back. With the anterior head carriage and posterior thoracic translation, this is one of the most common deformities in posture we see because of our modern life. So this is really, really important that you do this quite regularly if you've been prescribed it. The way it works is you've got the block or a towel, something like that, that's going to provide a bolster between you and a wall. This one, there's several places you can place it, but for now we'll go right in the middle of the mid-back. My feet are slightly off the wall. I'm going to try and flatten my pelvis and my low back into the wall as much as I can. I'm really almost pushing my belly button through to the wall. I'm then going to gently pull my head and shoulders back. I'm aiming to press my arms into the wall, press my head into the wall, and then try and flatten my back into the wall at the same time. Now, you can hold this for a good 3 to 5 seconds at a time, really pressing in there, and then relax. Take a breath, and then you're going to repeat that as well. So nice, deep pressure, pressing in, into the wall, and relax. Your chiropractor will prescribe exactly how many of these to do and how regularly, but to start with, I'd recommend 3 to 5 repetitions holding for 3 seconds at a time, and anytime you eat, so 3 to 5 times a day, this will be a great start.